Welcome everyone. The question that is shown on the screen, it is the set 3 question number 17 section B of the CBSE 2025 physics question paper. An electron of mass m and charge E is accelerated from rest through a potential difference V. So let us draw this. So this is the two plates, and in between these two plates the potential difference V is maintained. Let us say this is the V and this is the 0. Okay, then what will happen if an electron is kept at rest? Okay, electron is kept at rest, then obviously it will move in the direction opposite to that of the electric field. Okay, because it is having a negative charge. So here if I say D is the separation between the two plates, D is the separation between the two plates, then the electric field is obviously minus V by D. Minus V by D. Okay. So obviously the electric field 0 is here and E is here. Okay. Electron will move in the direction opposite to that of the electric field. So it will start moving from here, okay, to here. So what will happen in between these 2 points? It will travel the potential difference V, and it will move in that direction. Okay, and by this way, whatever the method, you understood that its kinetic energy is increased. Initially it is having the velocity u, and that is 0, and finally it attains the velocity v. Okay, so the velocity changes from u to v. So what is the change in kinetic energy? The change in kinetic energy is basically 1 by 2 m into v square minus of 1 by 2 m into 0 square. So that will be 1 by 2 into mass multiplied by velocity square. So that is a change in kinetic energy, or you can say the increase in kinetic energy. And from where this increase in kinetic energy comes? Since it is present within the electric field, kept in between the two potential differences. So obviously we can say here that increase in kinetic energy, increase in Ke, that is the kinetic energy. It is due to what? It is due to the potential energy. Okay, it is due to the potential energy. And how this potential energy need to be calculated? Potential energy is basically denoted as U, and that is the product of the charge multiplied by the potential kept between the two plates. Okay, so that will be 1 by 2 mass into velocity square multiplied by Q into V, or we can say here E into V. Okay, we also know this expression, that is P equal to mv. We also know this expression, that is P equal to mv. So we can write it down half of mv square as P square divided by 2m. So P square by 2m is equal to small e multiplied by capital V. So from here, if we want to find it out, what is P, what is the momentum, that will be root over of 2m e into capital V. Now what we need to find it out actually? Prove that the acceleration, after the acceleration, the de Broglie wavelength associated with the electron is proportional to that of the 1 by root V. Obviously after the acceleration means after the acting of the force, after passing through the potential difference V, after passing through the electric field kept in between the two particular plates, according to de Broglie, or the Broglie, you can say de Broglie or the Broglie wavelength, which is basically a bridge relationship between the particle nature of the light, particle nature and the wave nature. Okay, not only light, for each and every cases. So lambda equal to h by p. Okay, wavelength, which is the wave property, p, which is the particle property. So that is h divided by root over of 2 m e into v. So what is the value of the h? 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule. Second, root power of 2, mass is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 root over multiplied by 1 divided by root over of capital V. So if you calculate this value 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 divided by root over of 29.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19, this thing will come as 12.2. Okay, obviously it is a constant. This thing comes as 12.2. So divided by root over of V. Okay, so lambda equal to 12.2 or 1.22, not 12.2, 1.22 divided by root over of V. It's not 1.22, okay, in electron volt obviously. So we can say, since it is a constant, so we can say lambda is proportional to 1 by root V. Clear? So that is the Broglie wavelength, and the Broglie wavelength is proportional to the 1 by root V. Thank you all of you.